Hey guys, just ignore all the weeds. We're back here along the back of my yard in some dirt, well, sand I should say, where I planted the Limelight Hydrangea hedge, and it is in full bloom. There are some deep shadows. I'm sorry, it's kind of late in the day. I just got off work not too long ago. But I just wanted to come out here and show you what the difference is in the size of blooms this year. Now, this is the first official growing season in the ground for all of these limelights. But this is the bush that I did not prune a bunch of the small branches. I left them so it had more branching after I pruned it early this spring compared to the other ones that just had a few really strong stems, and that was it, like 6-7 tops. So this one had more, and it has a lot of blooms. Some that are still coming out, and I mean they're not super huge, but they're not tiny either. So I'm really happy with the overall look and shape of this bush compared to all my other ones down the row. This is probably the biggest bloom that I have on it right now, and I mean it's not bad size. So I mean, yeah, you might get a little bit smaller blooms, but this shape is worth it to me for the smaller, more prolific blooms. Now on down the way, these really, I mean, the bloom size for the amount of, like, the size of this stem, it's not really impressive this year. And it's just not, I mean, you can see it's just kind of scraggly. I'm not real impressed with the shape of it. It doesn't have very many blooms on it. I mean, it's just kind of, and then this one, it's getting more blooms down here. But really, again, the shape is just it's not happening for me. It's not really great. That side's shorter, this side's taller. This one does have bigger blooms. This one's probably got the biggest blooms so far this year for me. But like I said, it doesn't have as many as the one at the end. But I thought I would just come out and show you guys the different sizes and blooms for the first year growing season. So I'm hoping that in consecutive years they will get bigger. But this is just my hedge. I planted 6 of them all down this row here. And this one's not bad looking bush. It's not shaped too bad. There's some of them that, you know, the shape needs to definitely rebound. This bloom is pretty decent sized as well for a first year bloom, I would say. I'll probably cut that one because it's in the back, and I like to do arrangements with these. But that is my hedge. I just figured I'd come on here and show you guys, and I'm really looking forward to seeing these grow together. I planted them 5 foot apart, center to center. So like I said, ignore the weeds, the grass. This is just kind of a wild area back here. I'm just trying to hide the lovely trailer, and there's a shed behind it and a carport that's my husband's back behind our house, so and make the view prettier. So, but that's all I have for you today. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.